Hey guys, Jim from IAG and welcome back to Parts in 60 Seconds. Today, we're highlighting the IAG top feed fuel rails for EJ series Subarus. Stock fuel rails are the Achilles heel of EJs when trying to make more power. Even with the addition of upgraded injectors, the small diameter line, coupled with poor construction, can heavily limit the amount of power your EJ can safely make. Our rails are CNC'd from billet aluminum and are suitable from builds from 300 horsepower all the way up to 1,000 wheel horsepower. The 5/8 bore design allows for -6 or -8 fittings, plus an integrated port gives you the option of a fuel damper if recommended by your tuner. A two-piece mounting design with a phenolic spacer helps aid in reducing the heat transfer from your engine to your fuel system. We also have something special for you racers out there looking for maximum performance. Take a look at our dual injector rails with TGV housings. This kit allows you to run up to 8 injectors at once using a standalone fuel management system. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email and our knowledgeable staff will walk you through which fuel system is right for you. Thanks again for watching and we'll catch you on the next one.